Avrekalu pizza, Avrekalu pasta, Avrekalu burger, and Avrekalu jamun. All this and more is available here at the Avrekai Mela in Bangalore. Come, let's check it out. This is Avare Mela, one of Bengaluru's most awaited food events. The Mela has hit a landmark with its 25th edition being organized from December 27, 2024 to January 5th, 2025 at National College grounds. From savories to sweets, all the food items here have the Avare Bele, also known as the hyacinth bean, as an ingredient. In the year 2000, Geeta Shivakumar came up with the idea of organizing a small mela with food items made out of avare to benefit the farmers. She made many savory items out of the avare and started selling it under the brand Sri Vasavi Condiments.
It's like a celebration. So once in a year, it's like celebration. This is the season, and the taste of the beans are much better during this season. Though we get it throughout the year now, the taste is very good here.
These are the Avrekalu beans and these are the pods. In English, this is known as the hyacinth bean. This legume is very high in protein and traditionally it's used to make curries and palyas in Bengaluru and Karnataka. As you can see, the crowds here are also picking up and buying the hyacinth beans directly from the farmers. These farmers have come here from Magadi and other surrounding regions and they directly come here to sell their produce. The first Avare Mela had around 10 dishes served and now a total of 125 dishes are being served. This is the Avrekalu pizza. It's topped with a lot of veggies, capsicum, onions, cheese, and of course the Avrekai beans. So let's take a bite and see what it's like. The sauce is spicy and the beans have a little bite to it, which is really adding to the texture of the pizza. People from all age groups throng the venue to taste the variety of items available.
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷನೂ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಐಟಮ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Chefs and cooks have also improvised several ingredients to add avare bele.
Avare bele pani puri, avare bele pani puri.
So this is a cold avare bele mayonnaise made out of cooked avare bele with some garlic and peppercorns and same way of how the eggless mayonnaise version is done. So it's basically used in the pasta where it is not served hot, it's served cold. Served with the avare bele beans and the sweet corn with some pasta. Yeah, cool. You can try the mayonnaise.
Nice. Has that sour taste?
Yes.
You can taste the avrekai.
Avrekai.
Today we have about more than 500 plus farmers associated. So it just spread word by word, and to people, all farmers, one by one, they started coming. They were like, we want to sell our beans to you directly and stuff like that. So that's how it started. So there's no middlemen in between. That's one thing, and farmers get whatever they're supposed to get for their produce. So they sell it directly to the customers or to us. That's the market price what they're going to get.
And where are these farmers from?
So majorly it started from Magadi. Now Magadi's Avrekalu is not enough, so it is spread down to Kolar, Chintamani and other parts of Karnataka. But majorly part of Magadi only.
I'm ending my Avrekai Mela with a double attack. The Avrekalu Jalebi and the Avrekalu Jamun. You can see the distinct green color they have. Let's attack. What a burst of Avrekalu. I'm just joking. The Avrekai just gives the distinct green color of the jalebi and the taste is just like a good old jalebi that you love. This is the Avrekai Jamun. It's sweet and it's soft and doesn't taste of the beans as such. Just like the trademark jamun that you know.